In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix unwanted redirects in Google Chrome. If your browser keeps opening unexpected websites or redirecting you to unfamiliar pages, these steps can help stop the problem. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings. Scroll down to the Content section and click Pop-ups and Redirects. Under Default Behavior, select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Chrome saves the change automatically. Next, go back to Settings, click Privacy and Security and select Safety Check. Click Check Now to let Chrome scan for harmful extensions, security issues, and other problems. If redirects continue, open the Extensions page by clicking the three-dot menu, selecting Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Remove any unfamiliar or suspicious extensions that may be changing your browser settings. Finally, restart Google Chrome and test the websites that were redirecting. If the issue still occurs, reset Chrome by going to Settings, Reset Settings, then selecting Restore Settings to their original defaults. That's how to fix redirects in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.